Hi everybody, it's Zip here. Today we are playing Baldi's Basics, which is a copy of our school, whatever, I don't care. Anyways, I have been suggested to play this game, so I'm like, why not? Because I'm bored as crap and nobody likes it when I'm stuttering. This is my first time making a video, so that's why I'm acting like this. So if y'all, get in! What the How is there already 10 people? Are you serious? I gotta click it fast enough, but everybody is moving the freaking way. Now I gotta wait a freaking 1 minute. Oh my god. Woo! Go. How is Jit still in there? Oh, come on! Yo, what the Oh my god, what the heck? Oh, that's it. No! Right now, I gotta be in. So. Bro, I'm so bad at Baldi's Basics. Are you fucking serious? Wait a minute. What was that? Wait, what was that? Wait a minute. I can get outside the mail. Come on. Yeah. Oh my god. I'm scared. 1 plus 6? 7. 9 plus 7. I don't know. 14. I don't know. I just wanted a mama. Can I get out? Leave me alone. No. Oh god. Oh no. Bro, I got so scared that I called the girl bestie. Oh. Okay. I don't care. Okay, idiots, let's go.
Zip, how the fuck do I do math?
Go.
I have a computer.
Yo mama.
Zip, it is not yo mama.
Yo mama. Yes, it's yo mama.
No, it's not, Zip.
Oh my god.
That is what you get. You should have never said your mama. Yeah, what the actual?
Yay! Oliver, that's role playing as a girl. Oh my god. Oliver!
What the
Why
fuck
are
do
you
you
role
want?
playing as a girl? Get the freaking soda, bro.
No.
Get your soda. Oliver, why won't you talk to me?
I'm literally talking to you right now, you dumbass.
Oliver, come on. You can't do this to me. Give me your cola. Anyways.
I was changing my profile picture.
Yo mama. Okay, I am going out of here. Oh my god, I can't find anyone. Bro, no one cares that you love to drum. Oh my god.
I got Mr. Gloss up there, so she look at she sucking my waist.
We are dead. We're dead. We're dead. We're dead. How many times do I have to say we're dead? Bro, all we can do is run. They all found the notebooks. We gotta run and get to the exit. Run, 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 run,
Get the exit!
Go get the exit!
Get the exit!
Bro, why is the freaking bully right there? Oh my god!
Get the exit and
Zip,
run!
where are
Get the
you?
exit and
What the
run!
heck are you doing?
I'm not running. I'm not running.
Oh, Zip, I'm looking for the exit. I'm
Where
looking for
is
you.
the other exit?
Where the heck are you right now?
There's an exit over here. You got that?
Where are you, you female?
Oh my god! Oh my
feline?
god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Where
Oh
are
my
you?
God.
Literally, where are you?
Guys, where is the other exit?
That's what I've been trying to tell you. We freaking did it! Let's go!